very difficult to say. I'm thinking this day while floating around that it looks a lot like swimming in a certain way, but without feeling the gravity. So it's like swimming, but don't feel the water around you. It's very nice. Over. Yes, we get little hits here and there. We can see it on our windows. We can see little holes outside. But so far we've been lucky. Only small things, and they were not able to penetrate into the spacecraft. Over. Well, we have a good pharmacy here. We can do little medical things. But if somebody gets really sick, we will jump into our spacecraft, which is docked on the station, and go back to Earth. Over. You know, to enter zero gravity, you don't really have to train, and you cannot train, by the way, on Earth. So you just, when you get up here, it's the first time you will expose to zero gravity. But to be an astronaut, to be qualified to be up here, at least 4 or 5 years of training. Over. Well, in general, ISS is pretty warm, around 78 Fahrenheit, more or less. And if you're a little bit cold, you put a little jacket on. Over. Well, there's not much free time, but when we have a little bit, everybody does different things. I think the best thing to do is actually go to the window, look down at Earth, and even take some pictures. That's the best things to do. Over. Well, I would say it's interesting. It's hard in a certain way because the liquids behave completely different than what they behave on Earth, and it's very difficult even to